Ciao, welcome to Beatspot. I'm Marco, and in this video I want to talk about RoomWidener by JD Factory. So this is the website, and what is RoomWidener? More front to back depth to your track and buses, adds a sense of space to your dry recordings without tail, reestablishes a natural room feel to narrow recordings, breathes life into hard panned sound. So this is the plugin, and we have 4 controls. We have the size, goes from small to medium to large. Then we have the amount, we have the dampen, and we have the wet only on and off. So here we have like a 50%, we have the dry with the wet, and here we have only the wet. So let's listen to how it sounds. So this size kind of changes the delay time. It sounds like a delay, a very short delay, like a slapback delay. And if we go wet only, sounds like that the small is narrower, the medium is medium width, and the larger is kind of wider in terms of stereo image. So it's doing some work. Now let's try it on an instrument. So the result is that it's making sound fuller, more lively, and it's not that invasive. You have to tweak the amount consciously, because overdoing it too much, it has that kind of slapback sound and it's too obvious. But I really like it. It's a simple effect, it's a simple concept, and it's putting together a few things. Like we have some sort of delay, but we also have stereo widening, we have dampening, which is really important, and I don't know if there's some reverb going on, some very short reverb. RoomWidener is an easy to use plugin that uses multiple filter delays to create transparent reflections. In simple words, it adds 3D depth to your sound. In addition to that, it also widens it. From adding a bit of transparent ambience to your recordings to full-on chorusing, RoomWidener got your back. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. So I really like this plugin, and at least it's worth a try. They have a demo on their website, so you can try it, and it's a really nice tool to have to kind of liven up and make your sound fuller. And it's something that you can use extremely for sound design and production purposes, but I prefer using it for mixing stages. So very light usage, and that adds that bit more life to your whole mix. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.